Hello, good afternoon. I just want to share with you guys how I'm designing this dress. So using this pattern, Simplicity, what's the number? You guys see what it is. It's a familiar pattern, 8386. I'm going to take view B and design a dress. And the thing that I'd like to do is I've got the pieces here and I have my own sloper. So this is my size, my front and my back. So I will take a pattern if I need to do a redesign and just use this pattern as a base of the design and, you know, kind of measure it out and lay it on top since this pattern is cut 1 and 1 for front and back. So here's what it looks like right now. And you can see I found this great knit fabric. It's sparkly on one side and a nice knit, not too see-through, but I have a sleeve on one side and a sleeve on the other. So we'll let you know how I come. You see the middle line there, that's how I measured from my sloper to make sure I got that midpoint of the one shoulder strap. And then we'll keep going. It's really simple. It's going to take me a few minutes to put it together. And then it comes to just making sure the measurements are right in the body of the dress and the putting the sleeves on. When I made the muslin last night, I learned that I had to cut the sleeve a little higher up on the arm since it's going to be right in the middle, you know, like right perpendicular to where the dress stops. It's going to be right there and hang on my arm right there. But you want it snug and you don't want to show it too much of that, you know, that arm stuff that we don't like. But anyway, see you in a minute. So I'm going to stitch the shoulder seam of this knit dress. And just want to show you a little tip that I use because a shoulder is the stress area of any knit. And this knit does look kind of delicate. You can see it's got, you know, raggedy edges and everything. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of bias strip and put it right at my seam line, and that's where I'm going to stitch. So forever when the dress is hanging, or I may fold it, I'm not sure, but that's a stress area, particularly when you're wearing it. This bias tape won't, you know, it'll kind of hold it. I'm sure you guys seen this tip before. Some people use plastic, elastic strip. But I'm going to use this bias strip on the shoulder.